Yung isa naman po, Sana Gold, ay sa that's a mining operation that straddles two provinces, Nueva Vizcaya at saka Quirino Province. At ito po, malaki rin ng tulong po sa ekonomiya natin. They've been doing very well. Their operations, their renewed FTAA will expire sa 2044 pa. And they have about close to 1,000 employees. Malaki rin po ang kontribusyon nila sa atin. And they're also looking in their area na possibly they're exploring now na tumagal. Alam mo, malaking bagay po ito, yung moving forward. Kasi siyempre marami-raming mga empleyado itong dalawang kumpanya na ito, Canadian companies. And siyempre, mabibigla yung area pagka sumara yung mga mina na yan at natigil yung operations. Of course, all of these are mga kababayan po natin, mawawala ng trabaho. So we're hopeful. And then I think what they're looking for is stability in terms of policies and processes. And just to give you an idea, the administration of President Bongbong Marcos is the first in some time that is openly supportive of the mining sector. So this is important. So for the last 4 years, the government has been very supportive of the mining sector. For us in the DNR, we have taken great steps to improve yung ating mga processes pa, po yung mga time frame ng mga takbo ng mga papeles. Mahalaga po ito para sa mga investor katulad ng mga minero po, yung mga mining companies.